There is a new law to fight drug addiction in Kentucky.
And your pharmacy is at the center of this plan to keep people from getting hooked. 9 on your side's Brianna Harper explains how it will help.
These are, serious medications that have serious risks.
Oxycodone, hydrocodone, and fentanyl, just a few of the most popular prescription drugs when it comes to treating minor pain. But now a new Kentucky law hopes to limit access to these pain pills to prevent a possible addiction.
Cut down on the number of addicts and folks who end up with an addiction to opiates in the first place.
It's a change some pharmacists, like those at Save Discount Drugs in Covington, say will be most effective when it comes to writing prescriptions.
If somebody comes in with a relatively minor problem, they don't want doctors to be giving 7 or 10 days worth of medication, because usually a lot of this kind of problems are better in 2 or 3 days.
For some people, a 3-day supply could mean more visits to the pharmacy, but the good news is there are some exceptions to this new law.
To allow for longer prescriptions should the patients need it, or for cancer, or for chronic pain and other issues like that.
Long-term, Kentucky lawmakers also say they hope to provide alternatives to opiate use as well.
Trying to allow for payment for things like physical therapy and acupuncture and some of the alternative treatments that folks may not have necessarily thought about.
Another part of this new law toughens penalties for selling and distributing fentanyl or carfentanil. It's now a felony and a crime that could carry up to 10 years in prison.
We really want to get the true traffickers, but help those who are suffering with addiction.
Brianna Harper, 9 on your side.